All right, it is 10:15. Thanks for logging in for Moxi Monday. My name is Suzie Ellis. I'm a part of the digital marketing team. And today we're going to go over organizing your uncategorized contacts in Moxi Engage. So here I've got Moxi Engage already pulled up. If you've never been in Moxi Engage, it's logged in to your top bar right here. It says Engage. And to get to your contacts, people, my people. That's where we are right now. So once you're in your contacts, the best way to start organizing where all these should go if you don't have a system set up already is right hidden up here, categorized wizard with the 3 stars. So we're going to hit that. Brilliant. And I've already just added myself a little while ago so that we could do me as a test subject. So I'm not messing up my agent Emily here, her contacts. So when you pull this up, if I wanted to add myself as a client or non-client, and this basically just means client is anyone who's a past or previous buyer or seller, or someone who's a potential client. Non-client is reserved for any personal contacts or colleagues, anybody who's not potentially going to make a transaction with you. So that being said, we're just going to add me as a potential client here, and then it gives us some options. Am I a buyer prospect, seller prospect, or create a marketing plan? And for this purpose, we're just going to click create a marketing plan. Say I've never actually had a transaction. So I'm not a past buyer or seller. I'm none of these. We're going to go ahead and create a marketing plan. Marketing plan ready to go. Perfect. That's all you have to do unless you want to go do more stuff with this contact. If I click on the contact too, it brings me to the personal profile. So here we can just double check, are they on any subscriptions and any groups? Subscriptions being neighborhood news, groups would be any mailer lists that you have them subscribed to. But see here, we've got all of these subscriptions set up, and all of this was done by me clicking those few buttons right on people, my people, and categorize wizard. So same thing here, if we were to click client, qualify the lead, make seller, buyer, prospect, etc. If we did hit non-client, you'd get different results here. Are they a personal contact, a family member, a friend, a collaborator, or you could also move your engaged contact from here. So this is just a really easy, digestible way. Even if you get maybe 6 or 20 of them done a day, you're going to be way ahead, and then you can set up specific goals for these people. So you could get your contacts in there and leverage them for, in task lists, in groups, set certain campaigns for target groups, organize them by what listing they might have been interested in. And just as a reminder, all of these contacts can get in here via Google Sync. You can upload a spreadsheet, a CSV file, or if you have it linked to your website and neighborhood news, listings to leads, those should all be funneling in here. So again, people, my people, categorize wizard. This is going to be the best, fastest go-to way to edit your contacts and make sure they're in the right place and that you're utilizing them for what you want to do. So this was a really short Moxi Monday, but a super helpful one, because I know down here even you can see how many contacts haven't been filtered through. So, those add up. You have 1,300 contacts that you don't have in campaign lists or buyer, seller, prospect lists, etc. It adds up, and those are just touch points going untouched. So any questions about how to get here, how I got here, or just Moxi Engage contacts in general? Give it a few minutes. I don't see any questions here. And to keep nice, sweet, and short Moxi Monday for you guys, again, people, my people, categorize wizard, and then take it from there. And that is all I have for you today. Again, my name is Suzie on the marketing team, and it was a pleasure doing Moxi Monday with you guys. Thank you.